Hi, so welcome back to Love Vegan Kitchen. Today we're cooking Massaman curry. The vegan Massaman Thai curry is made of tofu and some potato and white onion and carrot. And the important thing is you need some Massaman curry paste. And also I'm going to put some palm sugar in it and a little bit of salt, because we don't use fish salt today because we're doing vegan dish. Then the other thing is important as well in this dish is coconut milk. So I have some coconut milk here, and also I'm gonna use some water and the vegetable oil and peanuts. So let's go and cook our Massaman curry. So first I'm gonna add some vegetable oil into the pan. About 1 tablespoon, and add some the curry paste, the vegan Massaman curry paste today that we use. 2 tablespoons. So today I'm going to make like feeding 4 people, so you can add some more curry paste if you like it more spicy. So I think this should be enough for us today. So you kind of fry the paste for a couple minutes. You can use the medium heat. So as you can see, this curry paste just looks like this. So it smells really nice and like release aromas. Kind of there you can smell nice. I don't know how to describe, but it's after a few minutes you notice it, and this step will be ready to add coconut milk. I'm just gonna add this into the pan. So this coconut milk is really creamy, so I'm gonna add some water with it as well. So just add 1 part of coconut cream or coconut milk and then 1 part of water to dilute this a little bit. And for about 2-3 minutes you add some carrot into it. So now after a few minutes it's a little bubbly and simmery. I'm gonna add some carrot. And also potato. So you can pre-cook this potato first if you like. So, oopsie. So you can pre-cook potato for like 5 minutes or something like that, so make your cooking quicker. But if you don't, then make it longer. So I'm gonna cook this potato and carrot for maybe about 5 to 7 minutes, and then I will add some white onion and tofu later on. So you can put on the high heat on this one, make it cook a little bit quicker. So now I am going to add the white onion after like maybe 7 to 10 minutes for potato to cook. So now you can just add the onion and tofu in together. So with this dish, I also recommend you to make with like meat-free chicken if you don't like tofu. So, but if I do like tofu, so I should use these firm tofu to add in to the dish today. And then you cook for another 5 to 7 minutes, and will be ready soon. So now after everything is cooked, I'm gonna season it with salt and palm sugar to bring some more flavor out. I use about 1 teaspoon of salt and maybe about 2 teaspoons of palm sugar. Just add like that, and then you just cook it for another like couple minutes, and you'll be ready to serve. Today I am going to serve this dish with the jasmine rice and a black rice cooked together. Last thing, I'm going to add peanuts into the Massaman as well. So if you allergy to peanut, you can use cashew nuts or you don't have to use nuts at all. So this is the Massaman dish, and now we are going to wait for a couple more minutes and then we're ready to serve. So this is Jasmine's black rice and jasmine rice cooked together, so I'm gonna serve it with Massaman today. So what I'm gonna do is just pop it like this. It's not coming out. Here you go. And I'm gonna dish up some curry into the bowl. Look at this. Oopsie. This is vegan tofu massaman. Everybody will love this. Yep. Ready rice and massaman curries, vegan version. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Please do like and subscribe and leave the comment down below. We have a new video come out every Thursday at 7 PM in UK time. Bye bye for today.
Okay, moment of truth, it's taste test time. Let's get some tofu and carrots on there. Here we go. It's so good. If you're not into like really hot, fiery Thai curries, Massaman's a good place to start. So much flavour and a little bit sweet and peanutty. Really good, give it one a try.